Are you at home during quarantine and drinking up all your rum? Is nature shaking things up with 2 hurricanes and heading them your way? Well, today I'm gonna show you an easy drink you can make to make yourself relax at home and make all your worries of today's crazy world just wither away. Here on Tiki Tuesday, I like to bring the Tiki with a vintage flair. And this week, excuse me, stop monkeying around over there. It seems like I can't get away from the monkeys. If you joined me last week, you knew that my drink was based on a monkey wind-up toy that I found at a thrift store. And I guess this week, let's keep the theme going. I'm gonna show you how to make a brown nut monkey head cocktail. So if you like mojitos or you like that lime fresh taste, stay tuned because you're gonna love this one. Alright, so like I do every week, I'm gonna put the ingredients right here on the screen and they will also be below. And I'll also put the original website that I found this recipe at. So this week I'm gonna use the same mixture that I found at Target, and of nice rose gold, and I'm gonna mix all the ingredients in here. We're gonna start off with 2 ounces of coconut rum. Ooh. Next is 6 ounces of coconut water. Next, we're gonna use 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Yes. And now we are gonna shake it. Or is my new hand assistant gonna shake it? Then you're gonna take your tall glass. You're gonna need a swizzle for this. You're gonna pour your ice. Stuck in a green screen. I cut out 4 slices of lime. Pour that in there and swizzle it in between the ice and get that fresh lime taste. Ooh, my swizzle is from 3 dots and a dash. Cute. Then you're gonna take 2 mint green leaves. You're gonna slap it against your arm a couple times. Put it around the glass just to give your glass a little taste. And then put it in your drink and bring it down with your swizzle. Mix it one more time. Get everything all together. You can smell how refreshing this drink is. There you have a very non-green screen drink. Hopefully you guys see how beautiful this drink is. It smells delicious. And very refreshing for a long day, staying indoors during quarantine, and surviving the hurricane. Cheers to you all. If you like this drink, if you like this video, please like and comment below. I'd like to hear, are you gonna try it? Is it interesting? Did you like my hand model for the day? I hope you have a wonderful week and I hope to see you all next week for Tiki Tuesday. Aloha and mahalo. Bye.